19 visual traits that women find attractive in men. Hey everyone, it's Anna. Today we are diving deep into those visual traits that girls can't help but adore. And guess what? You might already have seen some of these. All you need is a little guidance on how to actually showcase them. By the end of this video, you will have a better idea of what to put forwards and how to feel more confident. Ready to discover those little visual secrets? Let's get started. A genuine smile. Hey guys, let's kick things off with something you already have, and that is your smile. Not just any smile though, a genuine one. It's the kind of smile that reaches your eyes, full of warmth, making you instantly more approachable. You see, a genuine smile exudes positivity, trustworthiness, and confidence. It tells her that you are someone she'd want to spend time with. Now think about it. Would you rather approach someone with a warm, inviting grin or someone who looks like they've just sucked on a lemon? The answer's pretty clear, isn't it? So the next time you find yourself in a social setting, remember to flash those pearly whites sincerely. It's a visual trait that never really goes out of style. Strong jawline. Now let's delve a little deeper into facial features. A strong jawline. This isn't about looking like a superhero, but a well-defined jawline can be a symbol of masculinity, determination, and even resilience. It suggests a certain sturdiness, both physically and mentally. And the best part, even if you feel like your jawline isn't naturally chiseled, certain grooming techniques or beard styles can help accentuate it. Remember, it's all about playing up to your strengths and presenting yourself confidently. Kind eyes. Now they say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and let me tell you, that saying holds a lot of truth. It's not just about the colour or the shape of your eyes, it's the emotion they convey. Eyes that radiate kindness, empathy, and understanding are magnetically attractive. They suggest a depth of character, a willingness to listen, and a genuine concern for others. So the next time you are engaged in a conversation, make sure you are truly present. Let your eyes show genuine interest. It's those subtle visual cues that makes a world of difference. Veiny forearms. Alright, this one might catch you by surprise, but there's something about veiny forearms that many women find intriguing. Why, you ask? Well, these veins hint at physical strength, endurance, and even a certain ruggedness. Now, this doesn't mean that you should be pumping iron obsessively or trying to flex subtly every time you are around someone that you are attracted to, but rolling up your sleeves casually or engaging in activities that naturally showcases your forearms can subtly play up this trait. Remember, it's about showcasing your natural traits without going overboard. Facial stubble. Hey guys, ever thought of giving the razor a break for a day or two? Turns out there's something undeniably attractive about a man with a bit of stubble. This isn't just a fad from the latest Hollywood blockbuster. Facial stubble often brings out a rugged, slightly edgy side that many find alluring. It's the balance between the well-groomed man ready for a board meeting and the adventurous guy who's just come back from a weekend camping trip. That said, remember that there's a fine line between sexy stubble and looking unkept, so a little grooming goes a long way. Embrace that hint of wildness while keeping it stylish. Well-groomed eyebrows. Moving upwards on the face, let's talk about eyebrows. Now it might surprise you, but well-groomed eyebrows can make a massive difference in how you are perceived. They frame your face, highlight your eyes, and show that you care about the details. Now, well-groomed doesn't mean overly sculpted or thin, it's about just keeping them neat and tamed. Whether you opt for a professional grooming session or just simply manage stray hairs at home, remember, eyebrows play a pivotal role in facial expression. Keeping them in check means you are always ready to make a great impression. Distinctive scars. Now, here's something that might seem unconventional. Scars. Whether it's a childhood memory of falling off a bike or a more recent mark, scars often tell a story. They add depth, character, and a touch of mystery to your appearance. While it's essential always to take care of wounds and promote healing, if you do have scars, wear them with confidence. They are a testament to your experiences, your resilience, and of course, your journey that's made you the unique individual that you are today. Full lips, often associated with passion, sensuality, and let's be honest, great kissing potential. They are undeniably a feature many are drawn to. It's not so much about size as it is about how you carry yourself. Now, if you've got fuller lips, don't be afraid to show off a confident smile or engage in lively conversation. And for those who feel that their lips are on the thinner side, remember confidence and authenticity are key. It's all about embracing what you've got and rocking it. Broad shoulders. Alright gentlemen, this one is the most iconic symbols of masculinity, broad shoulders. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about them? Well, from an evolutionary perspective, broad shoulders are often associated with strength, protection, and reliability. Think about it, in the cinema, the hero usually boasts a strong, wide-shouldered frame, right? But it's not just about physical prowess. Those shoulders, in many ways, symbolize their capability to bear responsibilities, to stand tall in the face of challenges. Whether you are naturally broad-shouldered or you've carved them out at the gym, they send out a signal of strength and steadfastness. Healthy skin. Now let's address something that's often underrated: skin health. Guys, while biceps and abs are great, never underestimate the allure of healthy, clear skin. It speaks volumes about your health, your grooming habits, and even your diet. Radiant skin indicates that you are taking care of yourself both inside and out. It suggests a balanced diet, good hydration, and a skincare routine that works. Now remember, a little effort goes a long way. A basic routine with cleansing, moisturizing, and occasional exfoliation can make all the difference. So invest in your skin, it's going to represent you for a long time. A prominent Adam's apple. On to another distinct feature, the Adam's apple. This might come as a surprise to some, but that little protrusion on your neck can be quite the attention grabber. A prominent Adam's apple is one of those uniquely male traits that can be intriguing. It accentuates the neck, adding a touch of ruggedness and raw appeal. It's one of those things that might not be the center of attention, but it's a detail that doesn't go unnoticed. Defined collarbones. Let's shine a light on the collarbone. There's something subtly captivating about a well-defined collarbone, especially when highlighted by certain outfits like V-neck shirts or tops. Much like the allure of the veiny forearms we discussed earlier, a pronounced collarbone hints at a good physique without being overtly showy. It's a touch of understated elegance, an indicator of grace combined with physicality. Visible tattoos. Ink on skin, once considered taboo, has now morphed into a canvas of personal expression, and it's no wonder many are drawn to them. Visible tattoos, especially those with profound meanings or narratives behind them, can act as an irresistible lure. Why? Because, well, they often tell a story. They hint at experiences, passions, memories, or values. A beautifully crafted tattoo signifies a moment immortalized, a commitment to an idea or a memory. And more than just the design, it's the narrative behind the tattoo that can really captivate someone's interest. For many women, it's not just about the art, but the journey and the sentiment behind it. Crisp haircuts. A good haircut can be a game changer. Just like how a tailored suit can transform a man's silhouette, a crisp haircut can redefine a man's face. It's a visual indicator of personal grooming, attention to detail, and self-care. A fresh, well-maintained haircut shows that a man values his appearance, and by extension, how he presents himself to the world. Whether it's the rugged charm of a messy quiff or the sophistication of a sleek pompadour, the way a man styles his hair can leave a lasting impression. Piercing gaze. Eyes are often termed as the windows to the soul, and a piercing gaze can be intriguingly intense. A focused, unwavering look suggests confidence, depth, and a degree of mystery. It invites someone to delve deeper, to understand the man behind the gaze, while soft, kind eyes draw someone in with warmth. A penetrating gaze entices with its intensity and promise of depth. High cheekbones. High cheekbones have long been celebrated in the world of fashion and beauty. They add structure to the face, creating contours that play with light and shadow, giving the face a chiseled appearance. Now, this trait, often linked with classical notions of beauty, adds an air of sophistication and allure. Now, it's not just about the bone structure, it's about the interplay of features that creates a harmonious and striking visual. Elegant hands. Often overlooked, hands play a pivotal role in communication and connection. Well-maintained hands with clean, neatly trimmed nails signal not just good hygiene, but also a sense of pride in one's appearance. Elegant hands can convey a certain delicacy and precision in a man's actions, whether he's writing, crafting, or simply making a gesture. There's an allure in the meticulousness after all. If a man pays attention in such details in himself, it's intriguing to think about how that attention might translate into other aspects of his life. Toned calves. Legs, especially calves, can be an indicator of a man's commitment to overall fitness and health. Toned calves, visible when a man is sporting shorts or rolled up pants, can be an attractive visual trait for many women. They hint at an active lifestyle, be it from running, cycling, or just engaging in sports. Moreover, it's not just about aesthetics. Strong legs can also convey endurance, strength, and the discipline it takes to maintain them. Distinctive fashion choices. A man's wardrobe choices can be a direct reflection of his personality, values, and even his outlook on life. Distinctive fashion choices, far removed from the generic, show that a man is confident in his skin and isn't afraid to stand out. Whether it's a vintage leather jacket, bespoke shoes, or a quirky tie, these choices can be conversation starters. They suggest that the wearer doesn't merely follow trends but seeks out pieces that resonate with his personal style. Such individuality in dressing often points to a man who is self-assured, aware of his tastes, and unafraid to express them. Master the visuals, but do you know subtle things that girls secretly cannot stand? Or maybe you would prefer to discover the magic behind making her miss you. Choose your playbook. And if you loved our insights, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.